Hello, guys. It's Fran, and I thought I'd share with you something I wrote this morning. And since we're in the month of February 2026, Valentine's Day is coming up. I kept hearing these verses in my wakeful sleep, and so here they are. This kept repeating to me. So, okay. Nobody told me there would be days like this. Strange Days Indeed by John Lennon. Yes. So loving the shadow and the light. Innocence, beauty, and love still exist. The touch of a baby's hand is full of wonder as new life begins. Use your imagination here. A bird's sound lingers, piercing the silence with its message. The smell of the earth filling your lungs with new energy and hope. Watching and feeling water currents from stream to river to lake to oceans flow through your veins. Hearing a crackle of a fire that brings meditative stillness, warmth, and destruction. Feeling the power of the wind touching your face and pressing into your body echoes change. We are nature. We are human emotion. Gesture or familiar look to your loved one is a lifetime of memories of unspoken word. Precious animals that touch our hearts and souls are part of us forever. Trusting in the moment is a spark of creation. Divine intervention is unmeasured love. Watch it unfold around you as you allow compassion to arise. Unity without judgment is the antidote to freedom. If we know this is truth, we can stand, walk, run in the protection and reflection of love. Deep in our souls, we remember this. Happy Valentine's Day. Love, me. So, in these moments, just remember to take the time to reflect and know that love is present no matter what. And that it's our anchor, it's our foundation, and that's part of who we are. So sending love to all of you, and God bless. Happy Valentine's Day, and take care of yourselves. Thank you.